I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the mod file and loader match your Minecraft version, then place Xaero's Minimap. Jar into the /mods folder. Once done, start the game with that profile and load your world. You press M to open the Minimap for the first time. This reveals the default controls and overlay. Make sure your keybinds aren't conflicting, and note the mod's in-game settings button at the map corner for immediate access. You now adjust the map's visuals to fit your HUD. Change size, zoom level, and opacity in map settings so it doesn't block important UI. Next, enable compass and coordinates if you want orientation and exact positions. Toggle cave mapping for underground navigation. Once those are set, rebind keys for open/close, zoom, and biome display to comfortable shortcuts. Doing this makes the map both informative and unobtrusive, and it speeds navigation while you finish by creating and organizing waypoints. Add a new waypoint, give it a clear name, color-code it, and save it to the desired group. Once done, export or import waypoint files if you want the same setup across worlds. Then configure layers, enable nether scaling, show chunk borders, or hide specific overlays to match your playstyle. If the map stops showing, check for mod conflicts, incorrect loader version, or corrupted waypoint files. Restoring a backup usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.